Hello dear students, today we will discuss worksheet number 28, class 10th science, life processes, transportation in human being. Human beings like other multicellular organisms need a regular supply of food, oxygen, etc. This function is performed by circulatory system. This system is responsible for transport of various substances in the human body. Human circulatory system. It consists of heart, blood vessels, blood and lymph. Heart pumps blood around the body. Blood vessels, arteries, veins and capillaries. Blood and lymph, medium for transportation. Heart. Heart, it is a muscular organ which is composed of cardiac muscles. It is as big as our fist. The human heart is composed of 4 chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle and left atrium. Here you can see different parts of heart. The heart beats about 72 times per minute in a normal adult. The heart pumps about 70 ml in one cardiac cycle. From the lungs, oxygen-rich blood comes to the left atrium. On contraction, the blood is then transferred to the left ventricle. From here, it is pumped out from the heart to the body. From the body, deoxygenated blood comes to right atrium. On contraction, it transfers to the right ventricle, which in turn pumps it to the lungs for oxygenation. Since ventricles have to pump blood into various organs, they have thicker muscular walls than the atria do. Walls ensure that the blood does not flow backward when the atria or ventricles contracts. Double circulation. Blood travels twice through the heart in one complete cycle of the blood circulation. A complete segregation of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood is ensured, which is useful in animals which have high energy needs such as birds and mammals. Blood vessels are two types: arteries and veins. Let us discuss their difference. Arteries, these are distributing vessels. Veins, these are collecting vessels. Arteries carries oxygenated blood from heart to body parts except pulmonary artery. Veins carry deoxygenated blood from body parts to heart except pulmonary vein. Thick and elastic walls as blood emerges from heart under high pressure. Thin and less elastic walls don't have walls. They have walls to ensure blood flows only in one direction. Deep-seated beneath the tissue, superficial as compared to arteries. So in simple words हम कह सकते हैं कि आर्टरीज जो ब्लड हमारा ले जाती है ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड टू द वेरियस पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी, और वेन्स को कलेक्ट करके बैक लाती हैं. आर्टरीज प्रेशर में काम करती हैं, इसलिए इनकी वॉल्स थिक होती हैं, और वेन्स में वॉल होते हैं ताकि बैक फ्लो ना हो ब्लड का, और थिन होती है. Capillaries, these are the blood vessels which have single celled wall. The capillaries are merged together to form veins that convey the blood away from the organs or tissues. Here you can see different parts of blood. Blood components: solid components, liquid components. In solid components there is red blood corpuscles RBC, platelets and white blood corpuscles यानी WBC. Plasma is a liquid part. So the function of RBC is to carry oxygen and CO2, contain HB which imparts red color to the blood. यानी ऑक्सीजन ये डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी की तरफ ले जाता है, रेड ब्लड corpuscles, and bring back CO2 from different part of body to the heart. Platelets help in blood clotting. कहीं भी चोट लग जाती है तो वहाँ खून का थक्का या ब्लड क्लॉटिंग जो हो जाती है. White blood corpuscles provide body defense by engulfing the germs and producing antibodies. Plasma is a yellowish fluid in which blood cells are suspended. It transports food, CO2 and nitrogenous waste in dissolved form. HB, hemoglobin, the respiratory pigment which has a very high affinity to oxygen. It means कि ऑक्सीजन को ये बॉन्ड करता है लंग से और डिफरेंट पार्ट में ले जाता है. Lymph, it is a tissue fluid which escapes from the blood capillaries into the intercellular spaces. It is similar to blood plasma but colorless and contain less protein. Lymph flows from the tissues to the heart, assisting in transportation and destroying germs. Thus, it plays an important role in the immunity system. So let us practice now. Draw a well-labeled diagram of a human heart. तो आप इस तरीके से बना सकते हैं. डिफरेंस बिटवीन आर्टरीज एंड वेन्स. तो आर्टरीज एंड वेन्स में मैंने डिफरेंस आपको अभी बताया था, आप इनमें से लिख सकते हैं. राइट द फंक्शन ऑफ कंपोनेंट ऑफ ब्लड. so these are the component of blood and their functions. ये भी आपको मैंने समझा चुका हूँ. Give reason. Arteries are thick-walled blood vessels and veins have valves in them. So you can see in the difference between arteries and veins में, the arteries have thick and elastic valves as blood emerges from heart under high pressure, and veins have thin and less elastic valves because there is a less pressure, and they have valves to ensure blood flows only in one direction from body to heart, कि बैक फ्लो ना हो जाए, इसलिए वॉल्स होते हैं कि ब्लड वापस ना चला जाए. What is lymph? So here you can see lymph. It is a tissue fluid which escapes from the blood capillaries into the intercellular spaces. It is similar to blood plasma but colorless and contain less protein. Lymph flows from the tissues to the heart, assisting in transportation and destroying germs. Thus, it plays an important role in the immunity system. तो इस तरीके से आपने क्वेश्चंस देख लिए सारे.